Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope you are in a good condition. Okay, we continue the previous meeting. It is still passive voice. I'm sorry because we cannot have our offline meeting as I have promised last week, yeah, because I have something urgently to do, so I have to finish it today. So I cancel the activity for offline meeting for complex grammar. Okay, our material today is actually the still about passive voice, but the second part of the passive voice, yeah, it is about future perfect, present progressive, and past progressive. So those four tenses actually will be reviewed today, because I believe all of you have got the material from your last semester activity, yeah, in the same topic, complex grammar. But I want you to review your memory and then your knowledge. Maybe you can open your notes from the previous semester. Okay, so here I just want to emphasize on some points dealing with the tenses that we are going to discuss for today. Okay, for future, the keys of for futures, there is no significant change for the tenses structure, yeah, because for plural and singular form, yeah, for plural or singular subject, there is no special change for the passive construction. Yeah, as you can see here, the car will be designed. Yeah, that is for singular. The same with the plural form, the cars will be designed. Yeah, so in this case, the passive construction for future, it depends on the structure of the original form. There is no significant change, yeah, for the plural and singular. And then future perfect, it is still the same. The car will have been designed, yeah, the car, this is singular, and then the cars will have been designed, that is the same. Okay, so for future, the key is there is no significant change for the singular and plural nouns for the subject. Okay, while for present progressive and past progressive, it should be adjusted with the subject. If you find the singular form, then the specific subject should be put, and also the plural form of the noun in the subject also have specific form of the to be. Okay, look at the example here. The car, in this case the car is singular, yeah, you have to put that with is because this is singular. Yeah, the car is being designed. Okay, for progressive or continuous tense, you should put with being. Okay, after to be, you should put being. The car is being designed. And then here, the plural form is the cars are being designed. Okay, and then for past progressive, the car was being designed, and then the cars were being designed. Here you can see the difference between the to be for singular and to be for plural. Okay, that is the simple explanation. I think all will be simple. Yeah, actually you just need to remember that in every kinds of tenses you should remember that the fixed form for passive construction is to be plus verb 3. Okay, or to be plus past participle. The tenses, the structure follow uh, with the active structure. Okay, here I will review the previous activity because you have learned about present, past, and then present perfect, and then past perfect, and then future for will. Yeah. So all should be put with to be, like present. You can use is, am, are plus past participle. And then for the past, was, were plus past participle, and then present perfect you would put with have been and then past participle, and then past perfect had been plus verb 3 or past participle, and then future you should put with will and then be plus verb 3. Okay, and then here you can see that in the simple future tense for the passive here, yeah, we have active where the subject and then plus will, and then this is followed with bare infinitive. It means that you should put with verb 1, okay, and then direct object. While for the passive, you put direct object in the first position and then follow with will, and then you put with be and then past participle, and this is the optional part, you can follow with by the agent. Okay, here is the sample. I will wash the dishes. The dishes will be washed by me. You can put by me or without, it's okay. Okay, the dishes will be washed. Okay, the point is that the dishes will be washed. Okay, they are going to invest a small amount of money. A small amount of money is going to be invested by them. This is the optional. This is the optional. And then how to change this into a negative one? So how to change this one? I will not wash the dishes, right? Then how to change this? To change the passive voice. So the dishes will not be washed. Okay, will not be washed. And then how to change that into question? Will the dishes be washed? Will the dishes be washed? Okay, you should put will in the first position and then follow with the direct object and then follow with be and then past participle. That's still the same. Okay, later I will share the exercise for you after all have been discussed. Okay, now we go to future perfect. For future perfect, look at this one. This is the active where you put subject and then will and then have and then past participle plus direct object. This is for active construction. When we change that into passive, then we move the direct object in the first position. It becomes the subject as usual. And then you put with will and then have and then be and then past participle. This is the example. They will have written the report by the 1st of November. Yeah, they will have written the report by the 1st November. This is the active construction. And then when we change that into passive, look at this one. We put the report on the first position. Yeah, the report will have been. Okay, look at this. We have been here. This is as to be. Okay, this one still the same. Will have still the same. And then you put be to be. In this case, the to be is been and then past participle. This one. Because this has already been written in past participle, then you can only rewrite that. Okay. By them, this is the optional and then follow the adverb of time. Okay. And this is the exercise. Yeah. Later, I will share that in WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, that's it for future perfect. Now, for present progressive or present continuous, that's the same. Look at the form here. For the active, you can put subject and then to be, as I said before, and then verb ing and then direct object. Okay, this is for the active. While for passive, we move the direct object in the first position and then put with to be, and then you have to remember that in every progressive tenses, if you change that into passive, then you have to put being, okay, to replace the verb ing, because you should put past participle for the verb. Then because of that, you should put being. So subject follow with to be, follow with being, and then past participle. Then this is the agent. You can put that as the optional. Example here, she is cutting the grass over there. She is cutting the grass over there. And then in passive, we move the grass on the first position. The grass is being cut. Yeah, so cut here, actually this is the form of past participle. Okay, because in the in the tenses for the verb 1, verb 2, and verb 3. For cut, still the same. Cut, cut, cut. Okay? Yeah, so this is for present progressive. For past progressive, yeah, look at the active construction here. Subject plus was were and then verb ing and then direct object. While for passive, you move the direct object in the first position as a subject and then still put with was or were. It depends on the plurality of the subject, yeah, whether it is plural or singular. You can adjust it with the to be, okay? And then put with being and then follow it past participle, and as usual you can put the agent, okay? This is as an optional. Look at the example. When I write the boy was throwing the stone, okay, this is the direct object, right? Then we move that. We move in the front position the stone because this is singular, then the to be here, yeah, should be wash. If this one is stones, then this should be were. Okay? The stone were being thrown by the boy. This is the optional. Okay? You got that? Then if you want to change into negative, then you just need to put not. The stone, okay, sorry. The stone was not being thrown. Then how to change that into question? Was the stone being thrown? Like that. Okay? Clear? Yeah, I think it's clear because pacific is actually easy because you just need to remember that in every kinds of tenses you just need to put to be and past participle. For continuous then you put being, and then for the past, yeah, you need to put been. Okay, for to be, okay? Okay, so that's all our material today. Sorry for being late on posting the material, yeah. But I will send you the exercise on what is it, on the WhatsApp. Okay, that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.